Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying the essentials and taking the first actions. Make sure your device has a stable connection. If you use Wi-Fi, move closer to the router or switch to cellular temporarily. Open Gmail and navigate directly to the Outbox or drafts where stuck emails live. Once there, force a manual retry. Tap Send again or open the message and press Send. If nothing changes, close the app fully and restart the device to clear transient network or app locks. Next, you dig into account and sync settings to fix underlying causes. Confirm you're signed in to the correct Google account and that no recent password or security change blocked outbound mail. If you use a mail client, inspect IMAP/SMTP server settings and ports. Make sure authentication and SSL/TLS are enabled. Then force a sync from device settings or within the Gmail app. Choose Accounts, select Gmail, and tap Sync Now. Once done, reopen Outbox and attempt to resend the messages. To finish, address size and app integrity issues that commonly block sending. Inspect stuck emails for large attachments. Remove or compress files over 25 MB and retry. If problems persist, clear the Gmail app cache or data, or uninstall and reinstall the app to remove corrupted state. As an alternative, log into Gmail on the web and send from there. This bypasses device app problems. If nothing works, one troubleshooting tip: enable airplane mode for 10 seconds,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.